everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I got my Ipsy Glam bag and I was camping, so I haven't really got to go through it. I haven't really got to look at it. I do know of a couple of things in it because I got sneak peeks while I was camping, but for the most part I'm kind of blind this time. I did go ahead and look at some of the stuff on my Ipsy app while I was camping when I did have internet, which wasn't often. But for the most part, I usually don't know what's in them, but this time I kind of do. So let's just do the unboxing. This is my favorite part. So I have been filming all of my unboxings today. So I've got a little bit of trash over here. I'm going to use the envelope for my trash. So in this month, September month, for Glam Bag, I didn't get my Glam Bag Plus. I opted out of this month for 1 month, so all I get was the Ipsy Glam Bag this month. But it comes with this nice corduroy two-tone bag. It's really a nice bag. I'm not mad. So in today we have good vibes. I need it. Oh, and they started putting the descriptions back in here. Oh, that makes me excited because they quit doing that for a while, and that's why I kind of stopped getting them. Okay, so the first item I pull out is by Benefit. I do have a bigger size one of these. This is like, actually, no offense, this is probably the sample, and I have the full size, but this is kind of funny joke. The full-size product is $32, and it's 22 milliliters. Of course, this is just a deluxe sample, so it's the cutest darn little deluxe sample that I have ever seen. So, literally, it's this big. And when I say it's this big, like, these are toenail clippers, not fingernail, toenail clippers. And it's small. It's small. So, one use, maybe. I have used this before. I will tell you, it's not that I don't like it. If you're not going to use like a foundation or a, you're just going to put powder over it, it's not bad. Once you put foundation, sometimes it gets cakey around the corners and the nose area. So keep that in mind, that this probably would be better used with just like a hydrator and maybe a powder over it than it would to put, it says it's a hydrating face primer, but you could probably get away with not using like a foundation over it. It kind of starts to cake if you do that. So just a heads up on that. I do like the product. The next item is by Real Her. It says Confidence in My Glow highlighter. So it looks like this in the box. So let's go ahead and open it and take it out of the box. Oh, it's got a marble color too. Ooh, the case. And oh, does this actually have like a seal on the mirror too? Oh, it does. Talk about fancy spancy. So this is the highlighter color. It's a goldy kind of thing. I am gonna swatch it because why not? So let's see what this looks like. Kind of fleshy toned. I might use it, but yeah, it's a highlighter. I don't know if I'd use that much highlighter in a year, but you know, hey, it could happen. Its retail price for the full size, it says this is a deluxe sample. Full size is $28. I don't see why you would need more than a deluxe sample of that, but you might. The next item is by Tarte, and it's by Big Ego. This is also a deluxe sample. The full size of this is $23. It's just a little mascara. It's the cutest darn little mascara ever, but it's just got a teeny brush that goes with it, and it's kind of super small. Like, super small. So, the next item, I actually have this in a full-sized item. It's by Pearlie's. It is a SPF 50 vitamin C CC cream. And I got mine in hopefully light. But, yeah, fair. So, that's good. If it wasn't fair, I don't know if I could use it. But, I have used this product before, and if you're just looking for like a sun-kissed kind of thing on your face while you go to like the beach or something, this works really well. I use it when I go to work, primarily when I don't feel like putting on a full face of foundation. So its retail price for the full size is $38. And the last item I have is by PYT Beauty. It's Day to Night Shadow Cool Mini. It is a deluxe sample. Full size of this is $32. And, oh, the only thing I don't like about this is, like, this has all the paper. Like, this is your colors and where to use it. And now, if I lose that, how am I going to know? But these are the colors. They are really neutral colored. It says that the top corner over here, the lighter one, is Coffee Run, and the other matte is called Day Trip, and the bottom on this side is Happy Hour, and this one is 2:02 a.m. So I'm going to try Happy Hour and Coffee Run, the matte and the shimmer on the one side, and I'm going to swatch it on my hand, which I don't swatch the best, so know that. So there they are. Where's the coffee? Oh, the shimmer one's way up here, so it looks kind of coppery. Here, let me do this. Where's the camera, Amy? So it's not bad. With that highlighter, that would be a good face right there. Neutral face. This bag is $12 if I didn't say beforehand. And you get it once a month. And it usually always has 5 deluxe samples, sometimes full-size items. I got a good decent amount. Let's take this out. I got a good amount of makeup. I didn't get any brushes or anything, but I like it. So if this looks like your thing, just check out the links are in the description. I get nothing for anything. I literally don't get paid for this. I do like that they went ahead and put this back in here. This is nice to have because this gives you a rundown of the items. So Ipsy, thank you so much. You take my guesswork out of it, and I will heart your face, and I'll see you in the next video.